Hi guys, welcome to Gran Canaria Uncovered, and today we're in Tejeda. This is a village up in the mountains. It's one of the top 10 most beautiful villages in Spain, and the reason we come here today is because this is the first festival of the year. This is the Blooming Almond Festival, or something like Festival del Almendro in Bloom, however they put it. I'm sure we'll find out. So we have lots of stalls up here, lots of little market things going on. You can see animals behind me. So really this is just a celebration of rural life here in Gran Canaria. So we're going to take a look around, plenty to see here. Hope you enjoy it. Come on, let's go.
Pero es que ella no con la boca abierta, pero es que yo no estaba de donde yo estaba bañando.
Sí, mira, eso es, Holly, muy bien.
Mira, se sabe,
¡Qué máquina!
Miren, vaya.
Adiós a la vaca, mira, adiós.
Es conocer a tono el genio de la mujer, si sabe que la quiere, deprecia tu maicedad. En cambio con desdenes siempre la lleva detrás. Vete al baile, vida mía, vete al baile, corazón, que muy juntos bailaremos el famoso caracol. Vete al baile, vida mía, vete al baile, corazón, en las noches de tormenta aparece el caracol. ¡Ay, caracol, caracol, caracol! Caracol, caracol, caracol. Todo aquel que quiera una mujer, que baile el caracol. ¡Ay, caracol, caracol, caracol! Caracol, caracol, caracol. Todo aquel que quiera una mujer, que baile el caracol. Caracol, caracol, caracol. Caracol, caracol, caracol. Todo aquel que quiera una mujer, que baile el caracol. Caracol, caracol, caracol. Caracol, caracol, caracol. Todo aquel que quiera una mujer, que baile el caracol.
At 12:30 in the house on the place Fiestas Del Almendro with their show 50 years and more. A At 3:30 in the afternoon, on the town hall viewpoint, Latin dance music with the group Una Mas. We welcome you to the Almond Blossom Festival in Tejeda. Enjoy our traditions, music and culture. Welcome everybody to the 53rd edition of the Almond Blossom Festival in Tejeda, which was declared of national tourist interest. During the entire morning, Tejeda is filled with handicraft stands, traditional food, and Canarian music and dance in every corner of the village. From 10 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon, on the car park close to the petrol station, you can enjoy traditional threshing, goat milking and sheep shearing, mule workshops, cheese making and donkey rides, in collaboration with the Club de Arrastre Gran Canaria. From 11 to 12 on the Church Square, demonstration of the traditional sports Canarian wrestling, lucha canaria, and stick fighting, lucha del garrote. And on the main street, you can watch the demonstration of the shepherd's leap, Salto del Pastor. At 1:30 in the afternoon, on the Place La Vaguada, concert by the group Taboriente with their show 50 Years and More. At 3:30 in the afternoon, on the town hall viewpoint, Latin dance music with the group Una Mas. We welcome you to the Almond Blossom Festival in Tejeda. Enjoy our traditions, music and culture.
We're now in a different part of Tejeda. This is really the old town area. So just to mention, this festival, it's the first festival of the year in Gran Canaria. So spring in Canary Islands starts on the 1st of February. So it's spring already. It's 22, 23 degrees. You can see it's not full on summer yet, but it's pretty warm. So this is where spring starts, and that's why we have this festival. All the flowers are in bloom. This is strawberry season, by the way. The shops are full of strawberries. They're everywhere at the moment. They're giving them away practically. So if you want to get away from the winter sometime, you don't want to wait, well, Gran Canaria is a good place to come. And while you're here, first weekend of February, the Blooming Almond Festival. Hey! There's more. Chicas. We put on our Canal YouTube. Uncovered. Big for you? Uncovered. Oh. YouTube. 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 Yeah. So you're on there now. Hey!
Estaba yo para abrazar.
Vamos Tejeda, siempre para arriba.
Sí.
They said Tejeda always something. Siempre, it's always.
Ahí a la seta, vamos a ir para la presa.
En el 2014.